Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my 7,500 subscriber giveaway. I'll be giving away a walking stick to some lucky subscriber today, and good luck to everyone. As you can see, probably by now that this is not a live recording due to technical and computer smarts. I'm having difficulty getting that started on my current software that I use for streaming, recording, screen recording, and such. But this will do. As you can see in front of you here now on the screen, I have the video where I announced this and gave a few instructions on what to do and about the program. All I have to do now is I have this set up. I click Unique Authors, and I'm going to click type in Snowflake. Okay, got Snowflake typed in, and this is based on the 63 subscribers that we had as of Friday night after midnight. You'll have to start preparing this ahead of time. If you're going to do it, you need a little practice. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, before I click this button to start the random pick, I am going to bring up a little picture here, given the winner, whoever it is, the choice of these 1 through 5 walking sticks, and I'll have it up there to announce that. I thought whenever after we do the pick, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button right here, and we're going to pick a random pick. Now this I realize this is going to hide my face, but you can still hear me talking. Don't need to see my ugly face anyway, right? So let's get busy here and click this button. There we go. Well, Amy Jo looks like the winner. Amy has a great video channel, a YouTube channel that I watch very often, and you should too. Congratulations, Amy, for you are the winner of the walking stick giveaway, which is in celebration of my 7,500 subscribers. So congratulations to you. Now what you have to do, I might mention that I finally got it figured out to where I move my image over to the other side of the screen. So that will work out much better right now. A while ago, I thought I wasn't on there, and I popped up right in the middle of the sticks. So it was almost impossible to see them. But now, maybe that's better. Hopefully, we'll wait till after I get this developed. But anyway, congratulations, Amy Jo, and what you do now is below here, you'll find an email address that I made up specially for this occasion, and you have to email me, let me know what number that you would like. You pick one out of these sticks. The sticks are all from 56 to 59 inches long. As you probably know, I don't know if you do or not, but anything over 60 inches really skyrockets the cost of shipping. So I keep all mine under 59, and I leave them tips off of them because it's much easier to cut them off for a shorter person after you get them and install the tip. If I install the tip, you may have to cut it off and throw the tip away and buy you another tip. So either way, I do that to save as a cost-saving method. But you choose from 1 through 5 which stick you want, and it will be mailed right out to you the next day. Email below, don't forget. And before I leave now, I want to show everybody something here that I'm going to have. You try to get it in the camera here. That's going to be my video tomorrow, coming out Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. For those of you that didn't win today, come join me tomorrow and get subscribed up and get yourself in line for that 10,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm going to have, and you'll have your choice of 5 sticks as always, and you need to be a subscriber to win. And with that, I'll just let me say for now that I'll see you in the next video.